Welcome. In front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check the temperature of this laptop. So in order to check the laptop's temperature, you'll have to install the application called CoreTemp. So first open your web browser, then let's open some search engine, for example Google, and search for CoreTemp application, which you can find on their official website allcpu.com. Download the application by clicking right here, then open it, then click yes, then next, then accept the agreement to continue. On the following page you can choose the directory into which you want to install the program. You can select a different one if you want by clicking the browse option, then click next. Then you can hit some checkboxes for additional shortcuts if you need an additional shortcuts. Make sure to uncheck this checkbox right here if you don't want any unwanted third-party software on your PC. And then if you want to install an additional language pack, you can also leave this one checked, but I'm not gonna need it, so I'm gonna uncheck it. Then click next when you're ready, and then install the program by clicking install. Click next. You can skip the README part, so you can uncheck this checkbox, and let's click finish and wait until the program is enabled. And right here you can find the information about your processor, and down below the information about the temperature of the processor. So here is the current temperature of each core of your processor, which in my case is around 36 degrees Celsius for each core. Here is the minimum registered temperature, and here is the maximum one. And here is the load of each core of the processor. And that's how you check your temperature. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.